This is a nice fun activity to make a moving snowman. So to start off with, we've got a long piece of paper. This is folded in half with the fold right at the top. We're going to start by lifting up the top piece, just putting that up there out of the way, and we're going to draw on the bottom piece. I'm going to start by drawing in Sharpie pen. And the reason I'm doing Sharpie is because I want this picture to show through on the other piece of paper. So I'm just going to do quite a simple snowman shape with a carroty nose, bit of a smile, nice hat on. Scarf, body, could be sitting in some snow, some buttons, and my snowman's going to have some nice bronzy coloured arms, and these are going to be facing down. And then next we can do some colouring. So you could colour this however you want to. I think we'll do a stripy scarf to match the hat. And an orange carroty nose. So that's the bottom picture drawn. So now I'm going to fold the paper down. It's quite good if you have paper that's not too thick here so that we can see through. And then I'm just going to start tracing over the body. So the main part of the body I'm going to keep exactly the same. So I'm just going to trace over it. So anything I want to keep the same, I've traced over it. Anything I want to change, so instead of having open eyes, I'm going to have closed eyes. Instead of having a smiley mouth, I'm going to have a sad mouth. And then my carrot nose is going to be facing the other way. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the hat. I'm going to keep the bottom bit the same, but the other bit I'm going to have facing the other way. And then lastly, I'm going to move the arms. So if you remember before, the arms were pointing down. This time I'm going to do the arms so that they're pointing up to the sky. And then we can colour just like we did before. And now it's all coloured in, you can see the moving snowman. Why not have a go? And once you've got the idea, you could try it with all sorts of different things. Don't forget, the most important thing is to keep the main part of the body the same, and then the other bits you can move around.